In this guide video guys, I will show with you step by step how to add your payment method on Payhip. So friends, all you have to do, go to account, and from the account go to the setting. From the setting you see different option here, payment details, as such payment details and billing invoice. Go to payment details from here and you see two options from here guys, PayPal and Stripe. If you want to connect with your PayPal or credit card, just click connect. From here enter your PayPal account. You should be enter your PayPal active account, and then if you want to connect Stripe, like connect a Stripe, click connect your account for Stripe. Just click this option connect and just wait to see this page guys, and then just wait, write your Stripe email from here. This is how you can do friends. And then if you want to add a sign up with Stripe, click sign up and you can register all your information with Stripe. This is how you can do. I hope this guide, and you can see all payment option here. You can see different payment. Thanks for watching guys. See you on another video soon. Keep watching.